The next heading in P block element 1 is group 13 boron group elements occurrence. எர்த்தில் அவங்க எப்படி கிடைக்கிறாங்க, எந்த ஓர் ஃபார்மில் கிடைக்கிறாங்க. First one is the boron first element occurs mostly as borates and its important ores are borax and kernite. Borax molecular formula Na2P4O5 OH 4 times 8H2O hydrated form and kernite Na2P4O5 OH 4 times 2H2O. So the ores of boron are borax and kernite. The next element in 13th group is aluminum, is the most abundant metal and occurs as oxides and also found in aluminosilicate rocks. Aluminum is the most abundant metal. இருக்க மெட்டலே அதிகமாக கிடைக்கக்கூடிய மெட்டல் வந்து அலுமினியம் and occurs as oxide. We studied about Al2O3 oxide and also found in which rock? Aluminosilicate rocks. Commercially, it is extracted from its chief ore, bauxite. So aluminum is mostly extracted from the only ore, bauxite. Molecular formula Al2O3 and 2H2O. The other elements of this group occur only in trace amount. So boron, aluminum, remaining element gallium, indium, thallium occurs only in trace amount. கொஞ்சமாக தான் அவங்க எல்லாருமே கிடைப்பாங்க. The other element gallium, indium and thallium occur as their sulfide. Gallium sulfide, indium sulfide and thallium sulfide. Physical properties of boron group element. Properties: elements boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Physical state, whether they are in solid, liquid or in gaseous state. At 293 Kelvin, all the elements are solid in state. All the elements are solid in state. We know the atomic number: boron 5, aluminum 13, gallium 31, indium 49 and thallium 81. How we have to add the atomic number? 8, 18, 18, 32. In P block element, to the first element we have to add 8, 18, 18, 32 and the isotopes B11, aluminum 27, gallium 69, indium 109 and thallium 208, 205. This is the isotopes of first 13th group element. Atomic mass and electronic configuration: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Outermost valency cell 2s2, 2p1, 3s2, 3p1, 4s2, 4p1, 5s2, 5p1 and 6s2, 6p1. For boron and aluminum, the most common oxidation state is +3. For other elements, these are called post transition element. Due to inert pair effect, the stable electronic configuration is +1 and the unstable electronic configuration is +3. If +3 compounds are formed, they undergo disproportionation and finally it is converted into valency 1 compound. First 3 compound is formed, then valency 1 compound is formed. Then atomic radius first decreases, then slowly increases. Gallium, indium, thallium, these three are post trans element after filling of d electron and f electron. The d and f electron have poor screening effect, therefore there is a change in their atomic radius. Here marginal decreases, after that slowly increases radius due to poor screening effect of d and f electron. Density increases, then melting point decreases due to that post transition series d and f electron screening effect. Melting point first decreases, then slowly increases. and boiling point also decreases slowly from boron to